White Ford to 225 Field Boss. A giant as cool as its name and impressive as its performance. This legendary tractor is one of the rare agricultural machines that offers power and control at the same time. This tractor, which is a monster with 225 horsepower, never has difficulty even in large fields. Rough terrain? It's child's play for this tractor. You'll feel like you're in a field war because this Field Boss challenges all difficulties. Here to conquer the world's toughest fields, the Case 1200. This machine is truly revolutionary. With its wide seating capacity and incredible technology that increases productivity, the Case 1200 is an indispensable part of the agricultural world. You won't believe it when you see it. This machine is not only racing against the soil, but also against time. A real game-changer for livestock farmers, the Einstrußstaffel. This amazing machine is designed to make your work faster and easier, making cleaning and distribution in the barn a work of art. Do you need to distribute straw, sawdust, or other bedding in the barn quickly and evenly? This is where the Einstrußstaffel comes in. At first glance, you can see that the Krone KWT is no ordinary rake. Thanks to its wide and powerful structure, you can achieve excellent results even in large areas. Do you want to increase your productivity? This is the machine for you. By distributing your grass evenly and quickly, it creates the basis for the production of top-quality forage. Introducing the superhero of the fields, the S700 Combine. This giant combine harvester is not just a machine, it is a technological marvel. It completely dominates your field with its advanced sensors and automatic control systems. The S700 analyzes the field in every detail with each pass, providing you with maximum efficiency. This machine, which has revolutionized agriculture, not only makes your work easier with its smart automation, but also allows you to get more efficiency every day. This machine, which can easily process even the most difficult fields thanks to its powerful engine, also offers incredible fuel efficiency. While it keeps every detail in your field under control with its smart control system, it lightens your workload thanks to its spacious and comfortable cabin. While working in your field, you feel like not only an operator but also a leader who benefits from all the conveniences offered by technology. This beast has a fully automatic driving mode. Yes, you heard right. The Vermeer ZR5-1200 can drive itself around your field and get the job done flawlessly. All you have to do is sit back and watch this technological marvel create bales to perfection. With its powerful structure and incredible bale pressing technology, this machine conquers even large agricultural areas in no time. The Kuhn GA15131 is designed to process huge areas quickly and efficiently with its 4 large rotors. It is careful and gentle when collecting the weeds. In other words, it collects your crops while protecting them. Watching these masterful movements in your field is truly fascinating. Moreover, with its structure that can adapt to every corner of your field, you can achieve excellent results even in the most difficult terrain. Here is the biggest hero of your field, Hagie STS Sprayer. This machine is the most advanced and technological way to care for your plants. This huge spraying machine, which looks like it came out of a science fiction movie, brings your field to life with precision. With its excellent ground clearance and wide viewing angle, Hagie STS reaches every square centimeter of your crop, ensuring that every drop goes to the right place. This devilishly powerful agricultural equipment is revolutionizing the fields by combining speed and power in difficult terrain. This rebel child of agricultural machinery impresses not only with its functionality but also with its charisma. With this machine, you can walk around your fields like a legend. Looking to uproot huge logs from forests and fields? Here's a beast that can handle the task all by itself. The Savanna Global Mega Stump Plucker. This machine is like a giant, defying nature's toughest obstacles. From a small tree stump to a huge trunk, nothing can stand in its way. The Mega Stump Plucker's power is incredible. Its huge steel claws seem to defy nature as it uproots tree roots. Thanks to its large hydraulic system, it pulls out even the toughest and most complex roots from under the soil with great ease. Savanna Global completes a job that would take hours with ordinary methods in minutes with this giant machine. Here is one of the most powerful and intelligent assistants of the fields, FZ560TM. This magnificent agricultural machine is a revolutionary indispensable for farmers, combining power and technology while working in the field. With its powerful hydraulic system, large loading capacity, and excellent maneuverability, this machine is designed to make all your field work easier. From loading grass to transport, it handles even the most difficult jobs with great ease. Today, we will introduce you to the most innovative and intelligent solution in the agricultural world, Alpha R Active. This technological wonder machine stands out with its superior features that meet the requirements of modern agriculture. Designed to take your farm work one step further, Alpha R Active offers you not only functionality but also advanced technology. The most important feature of Nexat Widespan is that it combines multiple functions in a single machine: soil processing, planting, spraying, and harvesting, all in a single pass. In this way, you not only save time, but also support sustainable agriculture by wearing out your soil less. Moreover, thanks to its wide body, it leaves fewer wheel tracks on your field and preserves the fertility of the soil.